What do you think? They look fantastic, they taste fantastic. When your friends ask you around for tea and you say, oh, I'll bring the dessert, don't take a bag of fucking chocolates. This simple dessert, you're gonna love it. And so are your friends. It's gonna take you to the top of the charts. Here's the lineup of our ingredients, and a full list and their quantities will be in the description. Today's recipe is called GIGGIA. So first off, let's cut up our butter into small, more easier to use portions. It's better if you take it out of the fridge the night before too. It sort of softens it up pretty good. Okay, drop both the flours into the mixing bowl and then add in the butter and start to rub it into the flour. Rub it in real well. Crack a half a dozen eggs and drop it into the sugar, and then add a cup of brandy. Beat it all up real good. Okay, get your mixer organised, switch her on, and pour in your egg mix. Then get it cranking. Work the flour off the edge of the bowl so it gets all mixed in well. You can do this by hand, but I'm lucky I got a paddle for my mixer, so the paddle and the mixer do about 99% of the work. Okay, so drop the dough onto a floured tabletop and finish it off by hand. Now what you want to do is break off pieces a little bit bigger than a golf ball. Roll them out into a sausage. Then cut them up into about 1 centimetre long pieces. Now you want to roll each piece up into a ball and then drop them onto a piece of baking paper. What you've got to do is you've got to repeat this now until you've done all the dough. But you know, we do this as a family, so we start cooking, someone does the roll, and it becomes a real great family thing. Okay, get yourself a good sized pot, get in some olive oil. Yeah, you want to make it about 3/4 of an inch or a bit over a couple of centimetres deep. You get the heat onto it. And, you know, when it starts to warm up, you think it's starting to get warm, drop a sample one in, you know, and then you just check it out if it starts to cook.
When it's hot enough, you drop in one portion, you know, you don't want to, you've got to cook it in portions. Don't put too many in at a time. And what you've got to do is you roll it over, you've got to roll it over, you know, occasionally. So it sort of cooks evenly. You'll work it out after one batch, you know, it's quite easy. Now when do they get to that golden brown, not too dark colour, you scoop them off with a strainer spoon and drop them onto a paper towel.
So that was easy. Now we're just going to make that great sauce that's going to go with it. We're going to start off, we're going to put in about, a cup of golden syrup. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. That looks fantastic. Now we're at about half a cup of brandy. Switch the heat on. Rightio then, as it heats up a little bit, give it a bit of a stir. Don't make it too hot. You can always add a dash of water. You want it to be a syrup. Now it's starting to mix in. So what we do is we get at least 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Yeah, I love cinnamon. Oh, it smells fantastic. Keep it going for about 5 minutes, I reckon. I'll put just a little bit of water in. Not much. Oh, yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take it off the stove, cool it, and then put it in the fridge. So that's the gig. That's all done. We've got our GIGGIA, we've got our sauce, and I brought along a little bit of cream. So let's give them a go. They look fantastic, don't they? Grab your sauce, drizzle it over a little bit like that. Look at this, just drizzle it over. Oh yeah, yeah. Then, what I'm going to do is just top it off with a little bit of cream. Look at this, look at this, a little bit more, Joe. Oh yeah, like that. I'm so excited to try it. Let's give it a go. That is special. That is really, really special. You're gonna love this one. That's wonderful. Oh, mate, you're gonna love it. That was easy, wasn't it easy? Give it a go. I want you to subscribe, leave a comment, give it a try. You've got to give that a try. I love you all. I'll catch you on the next one.